The opportunities provided by technology and the internet have changed entrepreneurship in the digital age. The process of launching and expanding a business online while utilizing digital tools, platforms, and strategies is referred to as digital entrepreneurship. This video examines the methods and important factors for starting and expanding a successful digital business, with an emphasis on the particular opportunities and difficulties that digital entrepreneurs face. If you're new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel. Let's start. Choose a niche and your target market. Successful digital business owners start by determining their industry specialization and target market. For the purpose of creating a distinctive value proposition and providing specialized goods or services, it is essential to comprehend the demands, preferences, and pain points of the target market. To find a niche that matches your passion, expertise, and market need, conduct market research, evaluate rivals, and look for gaps in the market. Create a powerful online presence. Digital firms need to have a strong online presence. Make a professional website that is easy to use, visually appealing, and search engine optimized. Create a robust online presence on the social media channels where your target demographic is most active. Provide useful and captivating information that draws in and engages your target audience by using content marketing tactics like blogging or video production. Maintain and refresh your web presence frequently to establish credibility and trust. Develop a business model that is scalable. Scalability is a benefit of digital enterprises, since it allows them to expand without being constrained by physical infrastructure. Create a business plan that supports expansion and scalability. Take into account replicable and scalable subscription-based business models, digital product development, or online learning opportunities to meet rising demand. Utilize automation technologies and systems to improve workflow and reduce manual labor, enabling effective business growth and expansion. Accept data-driven decisions. For digital enterprises, data is an invaluable resource. Utilize analytics technologies to collect and examine information on consumer behavior, website traffic, and marketing efforts. Utilize these insights to optimize business performance through data-driven decision-making and marketing strategy improvement. Keep an eye on your key performance indicators, KPIs, to assess the success of your digital projects and make smart adjustments to meet your company's goals. Develop a powerful brand identity. To stand out in the online marketplace, digital enterprises must concentrate on creating a distinctive brand identity. Create a memorable brand narrative and value proposition that appeals to your target market. Communicate your brand's distinct voice, principles, and personality consistently across all digital touchpoints. Invest in visual branding components that represent your business identity, such as logos, color palettes, and graphics. Through genuine consumer interactions and favorable internet reviews, establish credibility and trust. Utilize digital marketing techniques. The success of a digital firm is heavily dependent on digital marketing. Implement a thorough digital marketing plan that includes influencer partnerships, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, and search engine optimization, SEO. To effectively reach your target demographic and increase your internet visibility, customize your marketing activities. Your marketing initiatives should be tested and optimized frequently to increase conversion rates and return on investment. Adopt an innovative and flexible mindset. Entrepreneurship in the digital space necessitates a mindset of constant invention and change. Keep abreast with new trends and technologies in your sector. Accept new technological developments that can improve your company's operations and client experience. Be flexible and ready to change your business model in response to client feedback and market trends. To keep ahead of the competition in the digital space, regularly evaluate your competitive environment and look for innovative ideas. Maintain good customer relations. For digital enterprises, developing solid client relationships is essential. Engage with your audience through tailored communication, social media interactions, and email marketing while providing great customer service. To build trust and loyalty, welcome client feedback and respond to issues as soon as they arise. Utilize automation techniques to develop individualized client experiences while keeping a human touch, such as automated email sequences or chatbot conversations. Encourage partnerships and cooperation. Strategic alliances and collaboration are essential to the success of digital entrepreneurship. Find possibilities to collaborate with like-minded companies or influential people in your sector. Collaboration can help you reach new client groups and increase your reach through things like cross-promotions and cooperative marketing initiatives. In order to build relationships that are mutually beneficial and that promote growth and visibility, look for partnerships that are consistent with the goals and values of your business. Always be learning and evolving. Digital entrepreneurship is a vibrant and constantly changing industry. Maintain your curiosity and dedication to lifelong learning. To improve your knowledge and abilities, look for industry events, webinars, podcasts, and online courses. Join networks and communities for entrepreneurs to meet others who share your interests and exchange ideas. Be open to changing your tactics as the digital landscape changes and adopt a growth mentality. Accept marketplaces and commerce platforms. Online marketplaces and commerce platforms give digital businesses an easy method to reach a larger audience. Use well-known websites like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy to list and sell your goods. To improve your sales and shipping procedures, take use of their established customer base and solid infrastructure. To have even more control over your brand and consumer experience, think about creating your own e-commerce website using tools like Shopify or WooCommerce. Utilize the influencers in your social network. For digital entrepreneurs, influencer marketing has developed into a potent tool for connecting with and engaging their target audience. Work together with social media influencers in your sector that are well-liked and trustworthy by your target audience. By collaborating with influencers, you can take use of their following and power to market your goods and services, attract visitors to your website, and raise brand awareness. Establish sincere and mutually beneficial relationships with influencers that share the same values as your business and your target market. Concentrate on user interface and customer experience. User experience, UX, and user interface, UI, design are essential for luring and keeping clients in the digital sphere. Make a significant investment in developing a user-friendly website or mobile application with simple navigation, transparent product information, and a quick checkout procedure. To cater to the rising number of mobile shoppers, make your website mobile-friendly. Ensure a visually appealing and consistent brand experience across all digital touchpoints by paying attention to visual design. Utilize automation and artificial intelligence. Digital entrepreneurs may gain a lot from automation and artificial intelligence (AI) technologies. By giving prompt answers to questions and guiding customers through the purchasing process, chatbots powered by AI can improve customer service. By streamlining repetitive procedures like order fulfillment, inventory management, and email marketing, automation tools can free up time for strategic activities. To increase productivity, improve client experiences, and gain a competitive edge, embrace AI and automation. Keep an eye on and adjust to market trends. The internet world is continuously changing. Therefore, it's important for digital businesses to stay up to date on market trends. Keep an eye on customer behavior changes, larger technical developments, and trends in your specialized market. Research how emerging technologies such as virtual reality, blockchain, and voice-activated gadgets can be incorporated into your company. You can stay current and take advantage of new opportunities by being proactive and adaptable to industry developments. Build a solid network and look for mentorship. For digital businesses, networking effectively and looking for guidance are essential. Participate in industry gatherings, sign up for online forums, and network with other business people in your niche. Work together, exchange ideas, and benefit from one another's experiences. You should also look for mentorship from seasoned business people or professionals who may offer advice, encouragement, and insightful commentary based on their own experiences. Mentorship can hasten your learning process, aid in avoiding frequent traps, and offer priceless guidance. Give ongoing marketing and promotion top priority. Consistent marketing and promotion are essential in the digital environment to keep visibility and draw in new clients. Create a thorough marketing strategy that includes paid advertising, social media marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization, and content production. Track important indicators, evaluate the results of your marketing campaigns frequently, and modify your plans as necessary. Aspiring business owners have great chances to start and expand profitable online companies thanks to digital entrepreneurship. Digital entrepreneurs can successfully navigate the particular challenges of the digital marketplace by adopting key strategies like identifying a niche, developing a strong online presence, embracing data-driven decision-making, developing a strong brand identity, utilizing digital marketing, fostering customer relationships, and embracing innovation and collaboration. Digital entrepreneurs can set themselves up for success in the quickly changing digital market by taking a proactive and flexible attitude. What do you think about this? Share with us in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel before leaving.